Hi everyone, and welcome to the Digistar 6 tutorial series. This video is an overview of the astronomy view. The astronomy view is the second of 5 different views, and it's designed to give you access to all the tools you need to give an effective live presentation. We currently have the astronomy view open, and it consists of a series of windows. On the upper left is the workspace window. On the lower left are the library, events, and news windows. On the upper right is the dome view window. And on the lower right are the sky, date and time, location, navigation, controls, and information windows. So let's go ahead and start with the workspace window. In this window, you can create customizable presentations, playlists, and access a history of recently used items. Through presentations and playlists, you can customize and organize your real-time content and scripts so you can readily access everything you need at your fingertips. For example, if we click on the Vignettes Earth playlist, we can see a collection of scripts to show on the dome. For example, I will play the Seasons A script by simply double-clicking on it. Now we can utilize the dome view window to view content as it would appear on the dome. And we can see the script has begun playing as the stars, the earth, and the sun have appeared on our dome. In addition to viewing content on the dome, the top of the window has a row of buttons that allow interaction and manipulation of real-time content on the dome, such as moving objects, turning constellations on and off, as well as adding texts. For more astronomy controls, there are 4 windows below the dome view that allow for comprehensive interaction with the Digistar universe. Let's reset our scene and begin with the sky window. The sky window allows you to quickly turn on the sky using the 4 sky buttons at the top of the window, each with a preset time based on your home location. For example, the Sky Now button displays the sky at the current time. Below these buttons are controls to enable or disable individual objects visible in the sky, as well as controls to adjust the visibility of the stars, such as this atmosphere slider, which adjusts the intensity of the atmosphere. To the right of the sky window is the date and time window, which provides you with controls to make it easy to change the date and time represented on the dome. The buttons to the right of the clock provide a quick way to set the time, such as the Set button, which allows you to change the time gradually over a set duration. Instead, if you want to continually advance time, you can use the Detailed Date Rate button in the upper right-hand corner of the window to have the time advance at any rate per second, such as 10 minutes per second, that you can start and stop at will. Next, the location window allows you to adjust your location either here on Earth or throughout the solar system. There are 2 tabs within the location window. The Maps tab here gives you a graphical way to choose the location, whereas the Places tab allows you to search named locations to visit. On the bottom of the window, we can see our specific coordinates, and to the right, a button to return us to our home location, as well as different options of viewing our desired location. The last of the astronomy controls windows is the navigation window. This window is useful in controlling the options for live flight through space by providing flight controls, options, and status information while navigation is active. Next, the controls window gives you controls for a selected item. Here I have the controls for the script I selected earlier. However, if I click on a system object from our advanced planet tour like Mercury, I will see various controls in order to manipulate that object on the dome. Each type of item selected will have a different set of controls. Lastly, in this grouping of windows is the information window, which gives you information about a selected item. Since Mercury was selected last, I can see relevant information about the planet to share with an audience. Moving to the lower left of the astronomy view, we have the library window. Here you have access to Digistar's full content library. We currently have shortcut selected, which is a way to filter commonly used items for quick access. Below that is content, where you can find everything on the system, including data to dome content, where you can download various types of content directly from ESO, ESA, Hubble, and more. Next, the events window provides you with a calendar of upcoming astronomical and historical events. You can use the Information tab to find out more about the selected event for that day, or you can download supplemental content from the Cloud Library directly from the Events window. Similarly, our last window, the News window, provides you with news from various sources like NASA, which you can read and share from the Information tab. So as you can see, the astronomy view uses Digistar's real-time graphics capabilities and its large library of astronomical models, images, videos, etc. for effective live presentations. Now it's time for you to play around with the astronomy view and explore the universe. Thanks for watching.